Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a Lego review of a mock that I made, and it is a viewing dome for all dinosaurs, and the Lego pieces that I'm using is from the 1980s to early 1990s. As you can see, this viewing area has two entrances and one exit, and here the minifigures or action figures can stand, and just behind will be where the bathrooms are. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below, and please share the links to my videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.